What's up, YouTube? It's just Michael Lowry, or Mike Lowry, whichever one you want to call me. And this video is pretty much just a short, quick video on just one of the uh, one of the concepts or types of problems that people see in math all the time. And this one's pretty basic, but I just wanted to start off small. Anyway, it's basically order of operations. So you know the acronym. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, and as parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And I know with this one, we all was taught this in school, and we all pretty much are familiar with it. But I just wanted to start it off and just do a couple sample problems for you. And with order of operations, you always want to keep in mind that you're moving from left to right, and it's a sort of order that you're going through. Hence the name order of operations. So whenever you see any of these problems, you want to always look at your problem first. So we see that we have 28 plus 3 squared minus 7 times 3. And with that, just keep in mind that you want to look at your acronym. So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So I'm looking at the problem. I only see exponents, multiplication, subtraction, addition. And with that, you're going to start off with exponents because that's the first one that we see. So 3 squared is going to be 9 because that's 3 times 3. So bring down 28, bring down minus 7, bring down this 3 in parentheses. And then the next part, we're going to do multiplication because that's the next one over. So 7 times 3 is 21, or negative 21, I'm sorry. So we have negative 21. We're going to bring down the plus 9, and we're going to bring down 28. And then after that, since we have multiplication and exponents taken care of, we just have addition and subtraction. So with this, we're going to start off from left to right. So we're going to start off with 28 plus 9, because that's what comes first. So 28 plus 9, that's 37. And bring down minus 21. So 37 minus 21, that's going to be 16. And that'll be your answer. And notice how I just started off small. So first I started off with exponents. Then I went to multiplication. Then I went to addition because it was the first one up front. And then I ended off with subtraction. So if you do this correctly, it should come out to be 16. And another example I could do for you, let's see, say we have 50 squared plus parentheses 29 minus 6 times 20. And although this looks like a freaking weird problem, but just bear with me. Okay, so we're going to start off there. So we're going to look at our acronym one more time. And we see that parentheses is first in the problem. So we have 29 minus 6 in this parentheses. So we're going to start off there first. So 29 minus 6, that's going to be 23. We're going to bring down 50 squared plus 23 times 20. So we look at our acronym again. We see that exponents is the next one after parentheses. So we're going to do that 50 squared. So 50 times 50. Let's see. Just doing a little bit small work right here. 0, 0, 0, 25. So that's 2,500 or 2,500. So we're going to bring that down. Add 23 and times 20. Okay, so we just got addition and multiplication left. So we see that when we look back at our acronym, we see that multiplication is the next one. So we're going to do that first. So 23 times 20, that's 0, 0, 0. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. So our answer is going to be 460. So that's 2,500 plus 460. So addition is the last one left. So the last thing we just got to do is just add that together. That's 2,960. And that'll pretty much be our answer. And the way I did it is that I started off looking at my acronym and just going back and forth, and just keeping that order in mind. And it won't always start off with parentheses first. It won't always start off with the exponents first, depending on the problem. So if you just see multiplication and division first, then you'll start off there. If you see addition and subtraction only, you'll start off with one of those first, depending on which one comes first on the left-hand side. And it just varies between problems, so you just want to keep that in mind when you're doing order of operations. Always start off with what's the highest in the order. So if there's parentheses anywhere with anything inside of it, any numbers inside of it, you want to start off with parentheses. If there's no parentheses, then go to exponents. If you don't see any exponents, then go to multiplication and division. And if you don't see those, then just go to addition and subtraction. And I hope this video helps you understand a little bit more about order of operations. I can do a couple more problems a little bit in another video, but this is just a short video just to help you get the gist of it. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, or anything of that nature, please comment below. Your comments are appreciated, and have a great day. Y'all take care.